This is today's Stock Trend News Minute. I'm Don Balarjan. A rubber company is looking for a cash flow bounce back. More in 15 seconds.
If you have an invention you would like to try to patent and submit to corporations and want free information that explains how InventHelp may be able to assist you, call now.
For your free inventor's information, call 1-800-631-1444.
Cash flow from operations for Spartek Corporation for the quarter ended October 31st was $4.1 million. That was a 78% decrease over the year earlier same quarter. Spartek has generated 7 consecutive quarters of positive cash flow from operations, but for the most recent quarter they reached a 14-year low. Shares of Spartek are recently trading at just over $9. Now, cash flow from operations, it's otherwise known as CFFO, can be calculated from the data found within a company's cash flow statement that is filed, of course, with the Securities and Exchange Commission on a quarterly basis. Cash flow from operations is a much better leading indicator than earnings or net income because the cash flow statement reconciles balance sheet data like receivables, inventories, and payables. Each of these items can have a significant impact on a company's cash position, while a company's earnings, EBITDA, or net income may include non-cash profits and losses. For more information about cash flow from operations, please visit StockTrendNews.com. I'm Don Balarjan. This has been today's Stock Trend News Minute. Thanks so much for joining us. As always, we'll see you again tomorrow.